No rose from concrete. Anyways, wait now. Copyright. So guys, hey, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a great day, babe. Say hey.
Right.
Anyways, he's concentrating. We are at the mall. We are at Portmore Mall. Yeah, now. I just came to get some stuff and some patties. I'm hungry. I'm really debating on what I want to eat for dinner today, if we should go out or not, or whatever. This man can't come up with an agenda. He can't come up with an agenda, so I don't know. Welcome to life in Jamaica. But yeah. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, as I said, just came to pick up some stuff on the road and go back home and figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. There's two things I want to eat before I left out of that place, yeah. And I'm trying to squeeze them in together. Watch out. Are you guys seeing this?
So the mall there with them around together.
And we can't reach
two of them, one let you on the show. Look how me just let you can't let you in the party. And I go 5 you on.
So yeah guys, when we reach,
you know, that one
watch out. Yo, at least he was polite. But Jesus, where my look plan? Yeah, because Joel will let in the whole friggin' world. Like, he will let it, yo people, not for cuss Joel, because Joel will let in everybody and them granny before we can reach our destination. Remember me telling you, yeah? He's horrible. I'll be like, you're way too, no, it's not even about patience, but like, bro, we got things to do too. We on the road too, we can't let in everybody. If we let in everybody, we'll never pass. It no matter. And I just Mali, I do it everywhere, everywhere.
You can't think 1 minute can save you one whole day. Just wait a 1 5 minutes.
Me not say you know to wait or let people in, you know. You can't give people a blind, but you can't give all 10 cars a blind. My dad doesn't drive aggressive. It's just principle, because you know, so them taxi man, you're not let nobody in. Oh, okay, alright, yeah, so, yeah. Nah, man, that me I say, but you can't let in all of them. You go start wall up traffic. You not go move from which party you go. You just have to be aggressive too a little bit sometimes. Nothing wrong with it. And yeah, but yeah guys. Jesus Lord. John, do them something here with me and I carry a brother?
And I hear a lot of people then. Boy, you pass the snack eye, you know, and them chips and everything there, you see? You never see? Go back next way. Go on next way. Them are there for you.
Exactly, we have turned about far. You have to talk to them too, no? You have to talk to them too.
No, we have to show what I'm going.
You have to talk to them and show them what you talk about, what you're showing them. Hello?
Hello? I must say, I'll miss the rest of the snacks then. So them are tang, you know? Yeah, good old Jamaican. Not song, you know? Tang.
You're so dumb.
You have to differentiate it.
Get all my lemonade. Is it the strawberry one that I like? Or no?
Look.
gonna get some of these for Puffy.
That's the best that. When you talk about Kool-Aid, Shaka Berry Fluffy. Puffy.
Tiffany like Charcoberry.
It's the best song.
It's alright.
I'm not ignore the Kool-Aid with that. You want to draw me in a Kool-Aid, see the Shaka Berry, original. Bully beef and rice and Shaka Berry. I know that never cook for you. Can't have enough rice.
I think that's it for you.
You know what Maggie seasoning?
Are you buying me my Maggie?
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, y'all, you guys bear with me because I can't see anything in my viewfinder. So I don't know where I show from when I show, but happy Independence Day, Jamaica.
Happy
Independence Day, and it's my last day in Jamaica for this trip. So we're at Helshire. We decided to I'll come back on Screechies today, have a little, you know. Yeah, and yeah, taking the beach. So here we are. Here we are. Yeah, no, we're there Screechies. So oh, I look so fat. Yo, big up Nettie for my camera though. Like, oh god. No, this cute. This cute, yeah, this cute girl. A bear of these me I take for the rest of the day. Closing the camera, man. Push this down. Dingbat. I mean, you are not a dingbat, my husband, but you know, sometimes you carry on kind of slow. Alright, babe, what you want to do first? You want to go in first?
I try to use a confidence.
Happy Independence Day! Hey y'all, so we're waiting on our food. Babe got fried fish and I got lobster. But yeah, that's what we're up to right now.
Yeah.
No change, baby. Every time I see these kids out here like hustling like that, like, oh god. And I really have no change because I didn't come to the ATM. I didn't go to the ATM before coming here. No, you know where the water was pretty when we were driving up from Montego Bay? Like there's some parts like when we were driving, like literally, it looks like there is no end. Like literally, like it just, like see like how the sky meets with it? But when we were driving, because you have the clouds and everything, like it was just a prettier view. But yo, the ocean is beautiful. Not what's underneath it, but the ocean on a whole, like surface view, like beautiful. I love the ocean. I love water. I love beach. I love the islands. That's just what it is. I love the islands. Island girl. But yeah, Jamaica, big up yourself. Happy 50th Independence. Yeah. 58th. I said right now 50th? 58th.
58th. That's 50th.
Yes, 58th Independence. Big up on yourself on a large. You know, look about on a talawa. And I have 900 odd cases right now. But
12 deaths.
Yeah, but it's crazy, guys. Things are rising back up again, and people are coming here and they're not fully quarantining. And yeah.
What am I do?
I was just about to.
The sea, all the ocean, beach, lobster. Can't eat it.
I know. I shouldn't even be sitting here.
Why?
No, man, because you're allergic. It's crazy because this guy's allergic to like the things that I love the most: chocolate and seafood. No, no. Well, yeah, but no. You guys, when the food come, okay? I'm so excited for my belly. I'm so sad that this is my last full day, but yo, this is the song in the country right now, okay? Where will we go when the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road? The beach is actually not as packed as I thought it was gonna be. However, we're just in one section. You have a section to the left of where we're at. Everybody's coupled up. You wanna see everybody couple up in the water. I'm so I'm scared with my husband there. Then the part where we didn't know. Then the part where we didn't know. Then the part where we didn't know. It's like bear family, so it's bear kids and all that stuff. Not at the time when I seen the couple.
I see him tell me
no, when you didn't go move the car. When you left to go move the car. See how man easy for car woman
wait a minute, you go back in
yeah. A people man, you know.
You would have when the man come down, the secret.
It's people man.
No people,
not anymore. Trouble. Oh God! Oh, they're taking family pictures. That's gonna be us soon.
Next 5, 3, 2, 1 year, next year.
5 year, 3 year, 2 year, 1 year. Yeah, guys. Anyways, that's what I said when the food comes. I don't know who order first from who not order first. But I'm say I'm hungry kinda-ish. I'm hungry-ish now. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I'm hungry-ish now. But I'm excited for the little festival and the garlic sauce and the crispiness of the fried lobster, because that's what I got. And they got fried fish. I'm excited to try. You got the bami too? You never ordered the bami there? You eat the summer festival?
I got fried fish.
So good, guys.
Steamed fish.
You could have got the fried bami.
Too much fried.
And people are watching them figure. Yo, let me tell you guys, Ryu like ran our bellies. Like Ryu mashed we up. Like Ryu mash up with inside. Like inside don't be the same. Inside don't good again. Inside mash up. Like yo, up to now we just had excuse things out of our body when not supposed to in our body. Up to now.
That's why I don't have so much toilet.
There's only one toilet in the room.
But I always toilet in the whole.
In which oh. I don't know, this trip wasn't really I don't know how to explain it. Like even
more sentimental.
Not even necessarily that, but like yeah, definitely 100%. But like it was just like I can go to Jamaica, let me go to Jamaica and be with my man type trip. Like it wasn't really it wasn't really to like go up and down. Although nothing's really open anyways, but I'm still not trying to be mingling out here, no offense, because you don't know who is who right now, from who has what, from who don't have what. So yeah, like apart from Ryu, the Airbnbs, we were just home chilling, making up for lost time, and also making in time because we don't know when the next time is gonna be possible to do this link up. So so yeah, that was the vibe for this trip. So we'll see what happens after this, and then yeah. But I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. I had an amazing time.
Amazingly great.
Like, I had an amazing time.
Amazingly
This is better than what I try not to expect.
You know, you are the best part of worse. Well, what could have been a worse here, you know?
I try not to come here with expectations anymore. I used to come here with expectations all the time, and then if my trip didn't go as planned, I'd be really disappointed. So I try not to come with any expectations. I just come and just go with the flow at this point, and just try to do what's possible. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Mystic Mountain was supposed to be a real vibe, but everything happened for a reason. Like, everything happened for a reason. Our Airbnb ended up being more than what we thought it would have been, so that made up for it. I saved a couple extra dollars to buy more KFC, and yeah, but yo, if you guys are in Jamaica and they still have that deal right now, go to Mystic Mountain. $3,000. I think you get to do like 5 or 6 activities. I'm not 100% sure, but that's cheap compared to what it normally would be. So take advantage. They have a lot of specials going on right now in the country for locals, especially just because they're dependent on y'all monies, because not a lot of people, as much as you see people coming back here, they're not tourists. They're people who, you know, live on the island. Well, not necessarily live on the island, but have family that live on the island and them type of something. So, yeah. They're not really making money at the hotels and stuff like that. They're dependent on locals at the moment. So take advantage also for your own selves, because there's a lot of stuff going on in Jamaica that you guys should take advantage of, that other people come and experience before you guys sometimes. So, yeah, take advantage. I think I was watching Quite Perry this morning or yesterday. Dolphin Cove also has a package right now for swimming with the dolphins. I've done that before here. That was an amazing experience. If you guys can do that, definitely take advantage of that. Like 2,400? What? Like, what is that? I mean, I'm not saying what is that, but like, yeah, I know, but like compared to what it normally, yeah, like, take advantage if you can. Summer soon done. Everybody is going back to school. Everything is open and really and truly opening up, regardless of whether or not this thing is dying down or not. So, yeah, live your life. One life to live. In COVID, during a pandemic. On lockdown. So, yeah. Later.
Salpimento the thing. That's a fry.
Oi, yeah, girl. Escovitch?
Yeah, I don't know. I have to bring piece. I have to piece of 5 here. Jen, I have to give piece of 5 here. I bring half.
Last Christmas coffee, yes. Oi. People, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. This nice. This our boss.
I don't know that.
Also, you remember say it took me 2 days to finish the other one? Come take my picture.
I should take an instant one with the fish and the lobster. No, I'm sure I could.
Do I look dark though? we go finish, try consume more on my plate.
Oh,
and come back
done that.
And come back soon here. Okay, bye.